Now we're going to move to Davis Kuma.
Yeah.
So Davis is the founder of Masina, which is an agile logistic company which power up the e-scooters in a sustainable and green way. As we all know, there is like a spike in the use of the e-scooters now. Go ahead.
Yeah, just can you confirm you can see the screen?
Yeah, we can see it. Yeah,
probably all the slides. Yeah. Good evening, investors, fellow entrepreneurs. I'm Davis Kuma, and we power up e-scooters. What do I mean? E-scooters this year in June, mid of June, became legal in UK, and all of them were asking to the councils to get the licenses to start the operations there. And when they got the licenses to put down their scooters, they had to quickly set up the operations. And for them, that's a huge, huge risk, as next year maybe another scooter operator comes into the place and then they lose all the setups. They have to move it and it's not practical for them. We, Masina, provide collection, recharging, deployment, and as well sanitization, because scooters does provide the isolation, the individual transportation, and social distancing from each other. And with sanitization, we can as well provide safe travel journeys from point A to B. Our goal, by providing logistics transportations for the e-scooter companies, we believe we can achieve 1 billion people life improvements by the right with the green transport. The market size has grown drastically. Since July, 40 city councils across UK have allowed the e-scooter trials within the UK, and those can grow within the next year drastically. We have competition, Chargery, TGCC, and PedalMe. However, we have advantage. We are locally based in UK. We have the IoT expertise, as the e-scooters by themselves are IoT devices, and which allows to communicate and understand the client needs. And as well, we hire local van drivers, and our transport is only green. Currently, we work with two biggest companies in the world, Lime and Bird. They were the originators of e-scooter rentals back at San Francisco 3 years ago. As well, we do communicate with other companies, and we are looking forward to make other deals with them. The team, myself, Danny, and Richard, each of us brings the core to set up the operations fast and quick, safe, and ensure that the e-scooters are on the streets and ready for the riders. Financially, personally, I put in money to start this company, and as well, we already are receiving revenue from Lime and Bird, which is now supporting us quite well. And the current contract value is £120,000, and we think quite soon it's going to happen that we're going to get the contract for London in a value of £350,000 with a profit margin of 28%. We look for investment of 30,000 with 5% equity return, and we believe investor with logistics, insurance, or public relationship background can complement our company to accelerate even faster and take us into a new scale. We provide exit within 3 to 5 years with 400% return on investment. We are Masina Ltd, and we power up e-scooters, and you can reach us out by phone, email, as well. We'll be at the table answering your questions. So yeah, I'm happy to answer any questions. Omran?
Thank you, Davis. Thank you so much. Great presentations. Waiting for the questions to come in.
Sure.
Any questions, guys? If you would like to tell us about your journey with Forward, Davis, while we get some questions.
Yeah, it's been
we got one. They stopped.
okay. It's been an amazing journey with you guys. Learned so much and has taken us so much forward towards our goal of 1 billion rides. So it's
okay, so the questions, do you have any plans to expand into the e-mobility sector, such as e-bikes, e-cargo bikes, and managing shared EV fleets?
Yes, short answer, yes, and we are in conversations to do that.
Okay, what is the average lifespan of an e-scooter?
That's more or less for e-scooter vendor questions. So we provide logistics, but yeah, what we know, I think it's between 1.5 years to 2 years. That would be that, but that's more from e-scooter company provider.
Why do Lime and Bird not keep these services in-house? What does say they want in the future? So
yeah. So the main reason is that when they apply for licenses, there's the risk if they will be able to get the license for the next year, as there are multiple, at least 30 e-scooter companies for each city applying. But they usually they go for the companies to do the on the ground operations with operators such as Masina Ltd.
Okay. So where do your future contracts come from?
That's a bit confidential, but happy to discuss that with NDA signs.
Well, that was a question coming from Bart, so you can tell him later on. Check the chat. Any more questions? Okay, the last one. For the market beyond the main operators for contracts.
Could that be clarified, please? Could you elaborate on that? But the market.
Okay, so where do you get like contracts beyond Lime and Bird?
So we reach out to the right people and make those contracts connections and.
Okay.
Like.
What do you need the 30K for?
30K is needed for electric vehicle fleet investments, which we plan to expand to be ready for the London launch.
Okay. Thank you so much, Davis. And guys, again, later on we're gonna be on the tables, so you can ask your questions.